Good morning and welcome to ClaimJumpper.com. My name is Brian and today we're going to do a little bit of a website overview, and in future videos I will be jumping into the individual tools available on this website. First thing I want to talk about is the name, ClaimJumpper.com. A lot of people have given me crap about this on social media, about it being a terrible name, but it really comes from several different angles and why I decided that was the best name for this website. First one up is the ability to have alerts on new claims that are available. So this allows you the ability to get an alert without having to log into MLRS and check when you remember to. This will give you alerts when a claim becomes available. It'll give you a faster reaction time to getting a claim on ground that you've been wanting for a while, and it's a lot more predictable than trying to remember to log into MLRS every September and see whose claims have expired. The second feature that really is built into this app and why it's part of the name is the ability to communicate with your claim neighbors and help prevent claim jumping. So a very powerful part of this platform, of course, is the community I've developed behind ClaimJumpper.com and the ability to communicate with the neighbors, send each other pictures, and set alerts and stuff like that to help you guys prevent claim jumping on your own claims and on your neighboring claims. So this really establishes a strong community aspect to prevent actual claim jumping. The third feature that is built into the site and that goes into the name is the ability to jump on new ground. So this app has several AI tools that are very powerful that have created very specialized algorithms to predict where you can find gold. Now, a lot of these places are places that don't have any mining history. However, the geology, chemistry, etc., goes into the most likely scenario for where there is gold that is yet to be discovered. And the predictive AI can find those places and mark them for you on the map. In fact, you can even download those and export them over to OnX or Gaia GPS or Google Maps, whatever mapping platform you prefer. There are different download options available for you to save those pins. And along with those saved pins, you get the data for that specific site. So it's going to give you a lot of information on what you're going to look for at that specific pin in order to find new deposits of gold. So this is jumping on new opportunities that other people have missed. That plays into the name as well. So a quick overview of the website. We have over 2.6 million data points, AI gold locating, like I mentioned, claim protection alerts, geology, geochemistry, 19,000 historic mines, and 10 AI-powered tools. And this is the most powerful prospecting platform that's ever been built. Along with this data, or in the cumulative data number, we have 540,000 active gold mining claims just in the United States. We do also have this available for Alaska, for Canada, Australia, and New Zealand as well. And we also have our gem mineral fossil type page as well, built on the same kind of platform. Those are all separate platforms, but they're built on the same kind of engineering and data with AI tools. We have over, for the United States, we have over 500,000 geochemistry samples, 22,000 historic mines. We track fault lines and geology. We have the AI gold probability, 2,300 research documents. These are legitimate documents coming from geology reports, universities, etc. You have the ability to export all of this data. You can monitor expiring claims or changes in your areas. You can set areas on the map. We'll get into this in a following video, and monitor changes. So for example, if you're analyzing a specific draw, a specific canyon, whatever, and you're interested in possibly prospecting that someday, you can highlight it on the map and set alerts. If somebody goes and files a claim in that, you get an alert right away, and you know that somebody else is working in that area as well. So some of the reasons going into the building of this website is that government sites are obviously painful. They have a hard time loading if they're even functioning. I know for myself, usually when I go on the MLRS after 9 p.m. in my time zone, it's down for maintenance. So that's usually my research window. You have your data scattered across at least 10 sites. So you'll have 10 or 15 tabs open on your computer trying to figure out and analyze and cross-reference data. We've compiled that all into one place so you can have multiple overlays on the map and see all of the data visually in one location. And you can click on it and get the data directly from the sources. This is the largest gold database available to the public that has ever been created, along with the powerful AI tools that we have built. There are over 30 tools on this website, over 7 AI tools specifically to cross-analyze all of this data and give you good information. Some of the other stuff we have in here is claim neighbor alerts. So for those of you who are worried about trespassing or claim jumping, like I've talked about earlier in the video, you can actually hook up with your claim neighbors and help monitor each other's claims. There are prospecting clubs. You have ground alerts for multiple things that you can set up. You have a staking checklist and an AI notice of location document generator that you can use. We'll get into that in a subsequent video. We have a know your rights. So this helps you understand the legal restrictions that you face or the legal place where you stand in order to prevent claim jumping. If you have to prosecute somebody for claim jumping, etc., what you need to do to prevent claim jumping. There are trespassing laws in here. And there's a step-by-step guide for boundary marking as well. Like I mentioned, we're in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. A lot of the information available on here is usable offline. So your GPS position tracker is available offline. GPS tagging and field notes is available offline, and you can download the maps and use them offline as well. In the next video, I'm going to get into the Explorer page. That is the most large database in a visual aspect that you're ever going to get access to, at least in the foreseeable future. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell notification on this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.